Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we solve this fraction by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rules, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Now we have one division here and one division here and one addition. Now we solve first division according to the rule of PEMDAS. Now the equation become 12 divided by 6 give us 2 plus 9 divided by 3 give us 3. Now we solve addition. 2 plus 3 give us 5. The answer is 5.